Gates open, then up and racing. Malihim draws for your lead. Rockwell by the rail in between runners. Alam mo na yan. Sophia's Fortune then running by the rail is entry number 8, and that's Matikas. Then next in line is Manila's Smile through Amigo by the rail. Big time Bonjing, Rogue Knight, and entry number 4, Sabori Champagne, past the last 800. Sophia's Fortune in command by about 2 lengths. Then running in second, Ori outside. Malihim, alam mo na yan. Matikas is by the rail. Rounding at the last 600. Sophia's Fortune, Malihim, 8A is right behind in second. Alam mo na yan. Is getting closer in third. Then by the rail is entry number 8, Matikas, as they swing to the last 450. Malihim, alam mo na yan. Matikas is in between runners with the last 200 to go. We have Malihim, Matikas, alam mo na yan, with 150 to go. It's still 8A, Malihim, Matikas, alam mo na yan. And at the wire, it's going to be Malihim, Matikas, alam mo na yan. Sabori Champagne. Then comes Rogue Knight, Rockwell, True Amigo, Manila Smile, Sophia's Fortune, and Big Time Bonjing.